Okay, the multi-user diary is a new feature for RF Office. Very simply, to get access to the diary, you just need to click on the calendar in the top right hand corner and your instant diary will be displayed. As you can see, there are multiple colors. It's up to you how you control those colors. Each entry into the diary is controlled by a consultant record, as you can see on the right hand side here. If I select the Barbara interview, you'll see that it's controlled by the consultant admin and the color bright green. These can be changed to any color you desire, or they can be linked together so consultants have certain colors. So for example, we'll just change this to ruby, and you'll see that in a few seconds the green will change, and you can do that with anyone. So we can change the red here to bright green, for example, and you'll see that change. So there we go. The diary works very simply. You can click into an area, drag your mouse over a specific area and type in. So we can say company profile discussions. Oops. Discussions with MD. And we can tag that to a consultant, so we'll say Mike Ryder, and we'll give that, for want of a better, orange, for example. We haven't got an orange on the screen. So we could simply do that. What that will do is obviously highlight that particular record and give you that view. Now, any of these records, of course, can just be moved around if the time's changed, or they can be put into a different day and so forth, and the information automatically updates. Now, where this gets clever is not just that we have a multi-user diary that you can tag to various consultants. It's the way it can be manipulated when you're doing workflow. So let's go and find a job. I'll go into the Jobs tab, and we'll just open up whichever record we've got here. Hopefully there'll be someone in the workflow, and there is. So we'll open up this record where we've sent a CV to a particular client. As you can see with the little tick, it's been sent. So we're now going to create an interview. So I'll put in the date. We'll put the date in for today, or no, I'll put it in for next week. Next week, Friday. Going to see Liam Neeson, and we'll put it in for 11 AM. Okay, so got some details here of this particular interview, and now we're going to send the email confirmation. So we'll send that. It warns me that a diary entry will be created, so that's okay. Creates the interview confirmation emails, which I'm going to close down, and I'll also close down the email, so I won't actually send it. What I want to do is now just go to the diary and show you how that entry has appeared in the diary. So we'll scroll over to Friday the 29th, and you'll see that we've got an interview set up there with Oprah Winfrey. The setup for a copyright at Mars. We can change the size of that. So automatically, from clicking on the workflow, your diary entry has been automatically processed and entered into the database. It's phenomenal.